Na na na. Yeah. Snatcha lion representing. I cry loud for the poor and suffering people. I cry loud, some of them can't find a meal. I cry loud for the youth them way in the ghetto. I cry loud when the youth them not no money. Yeah, everywhere we go we hear nothing now go on. Gas price gone up, food price gone up. Work Monday to Sunday and the boiling sun. When we get the paycheck, that still not add up. Politicians make we promise and them never show up. But me tell the ghetto youth them, don't you give up. Give we more and receive we less. But to God bless, tell them we not to say the rest. I cry loud for the poor and suffering people. I cry loud, some of them can't find a meal. I cry loud for the youths them in the ghetto. I cry loud when the youths them not have no money. Yeah. The youths them want some more education. The youths them want some more inspiration. Them rabbit all and left within a desperation. No care for the sick when need the medication. That's why put the fire upon them organization. We not go take no more intimidation. We not go take no more discrimination. Black people deserve liberation. For the poor and suffering people. I cry loud, some of them can't find a meal.
Wagwan, you're tuned to Yardstyle Live.